Hello, welcome to the training on SAP ABAP. In today's video, we will going to learn about more operations on a write statement. So, yesterday we already have seen to create a new program. So here I'm going to show this program which we created yesterday, and this is the program which is a simple program to display the text in a output screen. So if I try to execute and see, it just displayed the hello world. So the function which is used to display any output which is displayed to print any output, then it is a write statement in a SAP ABAP. So now we will be going to learn more about the write statement. So for now, if we see this particular write statement here, we can see we just, populated only one variable. If you consider this is a one hard code. So we have populated only one hard code to the output screen. What if we want to populate more hard codes, or else if you want to populate more variables? So see for now, here since it is a test program, we just populated. But if we go to the projects, and then there we might require to populate many messages at once. So in such cases, we will go with the write statement only, followed by colon. So here write and then give colon. So this colon represents, like, it will allow the multiple values which we wanted to populate at the same time. So now I wanted to populate, maybe let's consider three constants. And now I'm just saying, welcome to. So if you want to populate the messages as different messages, then we should give a comma. And then again the second one, let's learn. And then third one, ABAP. So see, now I'm just doing ready printer, activating, just execute. See, now it displayed, but it displayed the text in a continuation line. So if you want to put this line in a second row, or in a next line, then we should give slash. So the slash will work as a like, it will bring the statement to the next line. So I'm just activating and then execute. See, it brings to the next line. So here there is no gap between these two lines. If you want to add a gap between these two lines, then we have a keyword in SAP, that skip. So skip, what skip will do? Skip will, add one line of gap between the output. So I'm just activating and then executing. See, here it added one row. So if you want to add more than one row, then also we can represent a number here. So if we represent a number here like 3, then it will add the 3 lines. So just activate, execute. See here, like this we can also do. If we do not mention any number over here, by default it will assume as a 1, and then it will give one line of space only. See, here we can see, no. And one more thing here, every output is starting printing it from the start of the screen. So if you want to push this to the either like left side, or if you want to start with this from this position, or this position, or this position, then we should mention the position number here. So let's just give a position as 10 and then activate and then execute. See, now it started from this position. So this is all about the U line and the positioning for the output. So if you want to add an underline, then we can achieve this by using a U line. So U line, and then it will give an underline. Activate and then execute. See, here the underline came. So now we have one more thing, the function called format. So the format, the name itself defines that formatting the text, like formatting whatever we wanted. So if we want to format the color, then we should go with the function keyword color, format color, and then we can give the color number whatever we want. I'm just giving a color number as 5, and then just do pretty printer, check, activate. So here, if you don't know the syntax of format or any keyword in SAP, just simply place the cursor over that particular keyword and then do press F1 in your keyboard. Then here it will display the help. So in this help, we can see this is the format. So many things we can do: intensified, inverse, hotspot, import, frames, reset, everything. So now we are going with the format option, color. So now if you do not know what is the number for which color and what are all the available colors in SAP, then you can simply go click on the color. Then here you can see which number represents which color. So here 1 represents gray, blue, and the 2 represents light gray, and 3 represent yellow, 4 represent blue, green, and 5 represents green, like this. So now we have used 5, then it will highlight our text in a green color. So now we can simply close this window, and then it's already activated. Now I'm going to execute it. See, now it turned into green color. Here the formatting, whatever like format we have declared, no, this format will globally applicable for all the write statement in a program. See, now I directly define a format, and then it did applied for write of this, and then write. If I have more write statements also, for all those write statements also, will be formatted based on the format which we defined at top. So now if I want to add a separate color, then we can go with like we can comment this, and then we can go inline only. So here also we can define a color. Here directly give color, and then give the color number as a maybe 3, let's take, and then check, activate, and then execute. See, here it is coming in a green color, sorry, yellow color, because for that we have given the color as 5. So it is not applied for this. And also commenting. So in SAP, like if you want to comment any code, so this asterisk will say the comment. So if you put asterisk and if you type something, then it will be considered as a comment. This is a comment. So if you do the same by using asterisk, but not from the starting position, or if you try to put asterisk and try to add some comments, it won't allow, because if you want to add a comment, then it should like with an asterisk, then it should be from a starting of the line. So if you using a comment will be a like with asterisk will be a starting comment. If you want to add an inline commenting also, we have. So what does inline commenting will do? Inline commenting is nothing but in the same line where the execution, like the logic we have implemented, there also we can give a comment. Mm, individual coloring. I'm just giving. So this is also can be considered as a commenting in SAP. But here what is this means, half of the line will be executable line and half of the line will be a commenting. So in two ways we can, do the commenting in SAP. One is with the asterisk and another one is with the quote, double quote. Okay, and then activate and then execute, the same thing only came. So that's all about operations on write statement. Thank you.